Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a cupcake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Also, have half a cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 large eggs ready. Finally, measure out half a cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your half cup of softened butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, gradually alternate adding your dry ingredients and milk mixture, starting and ending with the dry. Mix until just combined. It's time to bake. Line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. Carefully fill each liner about 2/3 full with your delicious batter. This prevents them from overflowing. Place the tin into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes. To check if they are done, insert a toothpick into the center of a cupcake. It should come out clean. Once your cupcakes are out of the oven, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial before you even think about frosting them, as warm cupcakes will melt your beautiful decorations. Now for the fun part, pipe or spread your favorite frosting onto each cooled cupcake. Add sprinkles or other toppings if you like. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.